babes, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi beautiful faces, my name is Kayla. You can call me Kay, you can call me K-Bae. It's definitely up to you. What's good, what's popping, how you doing? Let me know in the comments down below. Just because we're quarantined does not mean the content stops here. Every Monday, every Wednesday, and Friday there will be new uploads on this channel. So I hope you guys subscribed. Like, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds and I'm literally gonna count to 10 and you better be subscribed. Alright, so now that you're a part of the family, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what type of content you guys want to see next. So today, I waited all day. When I heard my package was going to be here today, I waited for you guys. I really enjoy unboxing videos. I find them very satisfying. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing because as you can see behind me, I have a huge box and I'm ready to reveal it to you guys. So I'm going to give you guys a little fit check. I got this tee from work before we closed. I'm giving you very much life. Like, I got cute for you guys and everything because I knew I was going to film today. So you're welcome. Alright, so first I'm going to reach into my bag, and I did get this for Christmas. I'm going to give you the whole fit, you know. Let me give you the whole fit. Here was the whole fit, and I had on some Pumas, but of course I don't have them on now. Alright, so I need you guys to comment down below if you want to see what's in my bag video, because I really want to do one. I keep a lot of stuff in my purse, like this pen. I love this ink pen. It writes really pretty. I'm going to write something for you guys really quick. Anyway, so I wrote some numbers and I love you. You can't see that, but anyways, I love the pen. It writes really well, but that's not why I have the pen. So it's actually a knife. So like I said, if you guys want to see what's in my purse, you know, let me know. Just let me know and I'll do a video. But let's get into the box. I don't even know how to open this, but I just want to open it. My knife. This box was pretty strong. So shout out to Amazon for the packaging. And I did spray this box down with disinfectant spray, wiped it down and everything. So now we have the box open. Can you guess what's in it? Like, I want you to go ahead in the comments, guess down below what's in this box. I hope you guessed. But if you guessed, you might have guessed right. I don't know. I'm definitely going to be reading the comments. So, opening this little box first. Go watch my lip gloss video. It's going to be somewhere up top in the card. So hit that eye on your screen so you can go watch my lip gloss video. I did show you guys and reveal where I get some of my supplies from for my lip gloss business. So I am going to be doing charm bracelets. So that's what's inside this little box. I have the charms, the hooks for the charms, and then my first set of bangles are also inside the box. So I have silver, gold, and rose gold, and they're adjustable. So I'm going to show you what one looks like. So here's a silver one, and you just slide onto your wrist like so. And it is like the perfect fit. It's gonna slide just a little bit, but this is like where most of my accessories are. I don't like them just around my wrist, but so this is what they're gonna look like. So this is silver. And I'm gonna throw on a rose gold one. So you guys, we have to be friends on social media. Like, check out my description box. Go down and read the description box and come back to the video. Like, go ahead and click those links. Be my friend on Instagram. Be my friend on Snapchat, Twitter, everything. I do product pictures for my business page myself. So you guys need to check out and, you know, go ahead and be looking and lurking and stalking me so you can see these bracelets, because I'm not playing. So here is the gold one. So I have gold, and it's like a nice color gold, like a yellow gold almost. Then you have your rose gold and your silver. Alright, so the last piece that's in this box, if you guessed it, your girl went ahead and ordered her ring light. Sorry, I just threw that large box on the floor. But like I said, you guys, go ahead and follow me on my social medias and be looking for those bangles. I'll also try to give you an update on, you know, I want to give it to you guys first. So I'm going to try to have some ready for my Friday upload. So be looking for a sneak peek, because I want you guys to hear it from me first. I want you to. Okay. Figured I was going about this wrong. But look at that. I definitely like that. And this is supposed to be your LED ring light, and it is a quality product. It's fragile. It is an extra thin design, stylish appearance. It has 360 flicker-free light source, halo eyes lighting effect, nearly shadowless light, and ABS material, lightweight and portable features. So I just read that for you guys. And I did get 16 inches. As you can see right there, they have the 18 and a 19 inch. I'm gonna put the link to this actually in the description. And it comes in this bag. I have no idea how to say this name. I want to say it's Zomei, but if I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. I'm going to put the link in the description, and I'm going to put an image of what it looks like on Amazon here, so you guys will know what I actually was supposed to get and what I got, so you guys know this is an honest review. Wow. So it is really thin and lightweight. Like, I really thought that big box was very light, but now I know why. So I have the light itself inside of the bag. And then it's another little box at the very bottom. And then I have this block that was at the bottom. This was packaged really good because I almost thought I only had the light, but this must be the mount. So then in here, I have the mount. No instructions. So let's check out the bag. So the front of the bag has a zipper. And the zipper has another type of mount, looks like for your phone. So that's a plus because you know I'm recording on my phone. You have the cord. You have another mount, kind of looking piece. So it does look like Zomei. So it says thank you for my beer. Thank you for my beer. I don't get it. but that's what it says. Thank you for my dear. And it says Amazon 5-star review rating. Dear value customer, thanks for your purchase. It is our pleasure to do business with you. We hope you purchase from us could meet your I hope your purchase from us could meet your demands. The item has been checked and packed carefully to satisfy you. Yeah, so this is my review. And then instructions, I'm hoping, because I don't know what I'm doing. My boyfriend typically helps me with all of my tech stuff, but we're not gonna wait for him today. No. So I believe that's everything in the bag. But the bag has a little pocket, then it has the zipper front portion. I don't know what that came out of. But so the bag is pretty roomy. I like it. So I'm gonna read a little bit and then I'm gonna come back. So I know I gotta take this out. So we're gonna take it out. So and I'm just gonna see how I want it to stand. Basically, it has like these on the side. I wonder what's that for. So that helps you adjust this, and I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, so we got that, and I didn't read instructions too well, or not enough. So I'm gonna be looking at them every now and then to figure this out. I hope y'all find this amusing because, okay, y'all. So I got it on here. Once I tighten this part, I then tighten this so it wouldn't be so flexible because this does move. So if I loosen it, I can bring it down, back, whatever. So after tightening this, that prevented that from happening just so easily, basically, if that makes sense. But it's pretty sturdy for it to be so lightweight, so I like that. Power socket, it's definitely in the back. It's here. So we're gonna plug them up and I'll be back. Hey y'all see that glow? And it's not white yet. Like my selfie ring light has the white light on right now. This one is not all the way white, so ow. Okay, so let's say that. I'm baking. That shit hot. Do y'all not understand the quality videos I'm finna give y'all with my phone? Like, she on go. Period. Okay. So that's cool. Now that's that white light right there. That's that white light. Then you got that orange tone. Then you got that cool tone. Like I'm messing with it. I'm messing with it. I don't know if y'all messing with it. Like this off. This is with my selfie ring light up close. Boom. Y'all see that? Now behind this one a little. Do y'all see that? I don't know if y'all see it, but okay. This box weighed nothing. I was confused. I'm telling you, I was confused. So I like this. It turns. I'm pretty sure you can tighten it up. But of course, your videos, you need them to be a long way. Landscape. Okay? So, I'm gonna put this on here. So babes, how do you like your new home? Oh my god. Close up. I'm loving it. So if you haven't seen, this video will also be on the screen somewhere. Like, y'all can see that in my hair. That's how good this lighting is. Okay, so my flat twist did me justice, and I'm still rocking it. Like, I'm figuring out how to style it later on this week. But oh my god, I love my ring light. I promise you guys, I can probably pick this up on my foot. It's that light, no joke. And I feel like it's official. Like, I'm gonna give y'all the best content there is. Like, I'm not gonna get emotional, but this was a great investment. Even if you're a small YouTuber, this ring light cost me like $90. $90. You can invest in yourself with $100. You can do that. Okay? You deserve to do that for yourself. You don't just have to use it for YouTube. You can use it for your TikTok, your Snapchat videos, your Instagram videos, product pictures, anything. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a boss, you know, if you a girl boss, if you take quality pictures and you need better lighting, this is a good investment. So invest in yourself. You deserve that much. But that's gonna be it for this video. I really do like this ring light. I'm very satisfied. And if you want to see any more unboxing videos, let me know down below. Zomei. I'm shook. Okay, I'm shook. Like, I wanted to specifically do this on camera. Okay. So I'm gonna take my favorite combination. How am I feeling? Because I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. So thank you babes so much for joining me and tuning in. Thank you for your patience. I know I'm still gonna give you content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm sorry for the late upload, but I'm gonna make sure y'all get y'all's. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Shout outs will still be this Friday. So if you have subscribed and I've been notified, or you've notified me through direct messaging, you will get your shout out. So tell a friend, tell your mama, tell your cousin, tell your sister, and I'm gonna see you babes in the next video.